Hello,
Hi, Mohammed.
how are you doing?
I'm fine.
So, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mercy. I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, you're from Nigeria. Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. Okay, where are you going? We didn't finish yet. Okay, you're from Nigeria.
Yeah.
You're Igbo,
No, I'm
Y- Yoru-
T.
Yoruba,
No,
Efik,
no,
Delta,
no,
Element.
no. I'm T. I'm married to a Yoruba man.
Oh, okay. Your Banji is Yoruba, right?
Yes.
You're Thief.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I never heard this.
It's a minority group. It's a
It's called
my.
Thief.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to Canada.
Thank you.
So what we are doing? What's your journey now? Your driving journey?
My driving journey has been amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It has been amazing. This is like my ninth class
Okay.
out of 10. I'm happy. I've improved a lot. I came without knowing anything. Zero. Zero. And right now, yeah, I got to praise yesterday. I
Yes.
got to say my confidence is 10 over 10.
That's
My
great.
turn is 10 over 10.
Yes, yes,
My
yeah.
parallel should
So
be
you,
8.
when you start, you are shaking, you're scared, everything,
Yes.
right? You have a lot of fear.
Yes.
Now you're very good. Yeah,
I'm good.
that's great. That's great to hear. Okay, what's this is rock?
No, this is
You
it's
cut
a
from the.
this is a woven material. It's from Yoruba land.
Oh, okay.
This is an ashoke.
Though
It's
your
called ashoke.
traditional dress.
Yes, it's a traditional
Wow.
dress.
Mm. It look like rock, right? Black.
Yeah, it's actually hard, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
It's hand woven by you go to you when you go to the west, you see those women weaving it on a machine, like an
Mm.
old machine, and it moves left, right, it's intertwining. It's beautiful to watch.
Yeah, that's
So
great. This is your Yoruba dress or
yes,
TV
no,
dress?
this is a Yoruba dress
So
actually.
you become a Yoruba now.
Yes.
Because you got married with a Yoruba guy.
Yeah, so
Uh,
right now I'm a Yoruba bride. So
yeah,
it's
that's great. How is life going on? Good? Everything is good?
good, good,
Yeah.
good.
Okay. So thank you for the video. I asked her. She said okay, and then thank you very much. I'm so happy. So we're gonna make one new video. So this is gonna be G2 practice. So we are in Windsor, Ontario.
Okay.
So are you ready? I will help you. Also, you can talk. You can ask question.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you want maybe a Nigerian teacher or just normal?
No, no, no. No more. No more.
Normal, right?
No more.
Have you seen a Nigerian teacher
No, but
for driving teacher in back home?
oh God, my I've not really had an experience,
Yeah.
but like back home is different from driving
Yes,
here.
yes, yeah, yeah.
Back home is different from driving here, and I hear most people tell me, "Oh, driving here is different. Driving here is different." But I feel right now I can drive on the
Yeah,
Canadian road.
because you didn't have experience back home, that's why
Yes,
easily you can get the Canadian driving experience. Yeah,
yes,
it's easy. The problem is in the back home, not only just for Nigeria, for other countries as well.
yeah,
We have rough driving skill and different driving,
yes.
and here sometimes for merging and comparing, adapting is taking time. So need to take couple lessons, guys, to
Yeah.
get ready. Okay, so we can start now. Okay,
Okay.
let's turn left here.
Okay.
Sorry. So here, the examiner is starting from this point, so we are not allowed to use during the exam time to
Okay.
yeah, to
So,
respect the other student. Yeah, here, perfect. So we're gonna go from here. Yeah,
okay.
from here straight. Perfect.
Okay.
So this road is two lanes, so be on the right side
Yeah.
here. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Turn left. So G2 exam road, G or G2 exam road start from here. The tricky part is here. And
Okay.
sometimes, yeah, when it is ready, uh, make sure right side is clear, left
Clear.
side is
Left
clear.
side is
Yeah.
clear.
Yeah, you can go now. It's yeah, perfect. Turning first closest lane, which is this lane. That, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
stay in
Yeah.
the
Stay
middle
in this
here.
lane. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now at the traffic light, turn left. This road is 50 speed limit.
Okay.
Hmm.
So it's turn left here.
Yeah, yeah. But here, first of all, here left signal, shoulder check, blind spot. Yes. White broken, we have to enter. Yeah. Perfect. So all the time when you see the broken line,
that's where you move.
yes,
Okay.
that's why you have to enter for the. So here it's gonna be green arrow.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
So
go. Yeah, you can
I
go
can
now.
go now.
Yeah, or you can go tomorrow.
No, tomorrow is too late.
Tomorrow,
I
I'll see
love
you
you
tomorrow.
Oh, you watched Annie. That's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. Okay, be on the
Yeah.
lane. Yeah. So this road is 50 again. Yeah. So if you don't see the speed limit sign, that's 50. Yeah, straight.
So, but it's 48 allowed.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, yes.
So
No,
you don't go above 50, but 40, 45.
yes, yeah. So turn left here, left signal, shoulder check here, shoulder check back. Yes, enter from here. Yes. So shoulder check is mercy is so important.
Yeah.
So before entering the turning lane, we have to check in the center lane. So here it's you will get green light,
Green light.
so you will not get green arrow.
Yeah,
So
but I'll wait for them to pass.
exactly.
Then I
Yeah.
can go in.
So you can go to the middle. Mhm. Okay. Check blind spot and turn. The speed limit is going to be changed here.
To 40.
Yeah. Because there are daycare here, there are school here. That's why they put the speed limit 40 here. Yes. Yeah. So scan the school. Look left. Look right. Yeah. So you're gonna pass the rail crossing. So you can release the gas pedal when you are passing. Yeah. Yeah.
Just to be sure.
Yeah. Check, make sure both sides is clear. No train is coming. Perfect. So you okay? He wants to go. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. In this case, you can slow down a little bit. Yeah. So turn right. So pedestrian crossover. Look left. Look right. No one is there. Then check blind spot right. Then turn short. Ancho. Ancho. So I was teaching one Spanish lady, Latino. I was saying ancho. You heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah, be on the right side. So we're gonna go left here. Ancho. Ancho means wide. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ancho means wide turning. Left turning is ancho.
Okay.
Right turning is estrecho.
A stretcher.
Estrecho is a right turn. I learned from them.
Oh.
I aprender español poquito.
That's nice.
A little bit.
I love their accent a lot.
Yeah. That's correct.
I'm
After
going
that,
straight.
yeah, we're gonna go straight here. Be on the right side here. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Always stop sign. You stop first. You go first, and you stop before the sidewalk. That's great. Go straight. So we're gonna do one parallel park here if we find a car. Okay. We can do with the truck. Truck, you know.
But we'll be at the person's driveway.
Yeah, it's okay. That's okay here. So here, the truck is big car.
So
Here,
half.
half of the car is enough.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
one right.
One right.
Make it T.
Yeah, reverse as well.
Yeah.
Here. Okay, look at back. Your signal should be on. Yeah. 45-degree angle to see the corner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
One left.
Mm-hmm. That's great. V shape.
Full left.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah. And straight in the wheel.
Yeah.
Straight in the wheel. One more. Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
That's
So
it.
that's great. Let's go. So first of all, get ready for handbrake. Drive all the way to the left, all the way. So if it is enough to go out, then no need to go back. So check
Yeah.
blind spot. Look at the oncoming side. Perfect. So go straight. So pull over here. So we're gonna do one 3-point turn here. Pull over here. Right signal. Don't forget. You're in the camera. Smile.
Yeah.
Smile in the camera. 3-point turn.
Okay, so 3-point turn
Yeah.
all the way.
Yeah.
Left.
Okay. You forgot signal. Signal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shoulder check here. No one is coming, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So go.
Then reverse all the way
All the way.
to the right. Fast. Fast, fast. Look at back. Okay. That's enough. Drive first. Yeah. Drive.
Yeah.
Don't forget drive. Yeah.
No, I won't.
But you forgot signal.
Oh.
Left
Yeah,
signal.
that's wrong.
Yeah. Failed. No.
That's a few actually.
Just go straight.
So straight.
Yeah. If you forget signal here, it's not failure. It's just losing point.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So pull over here. Okay. So let's do downhill parking.
Wait, is that part?
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Then
done.
one more thing you forgot. Yes. Good. Let's go.
So
Vamos. Vamos means let's go.
let's go. Yeah.
Okay, straight in the wheel. I think
Yeah.
you're not. It's not. Yeah, now straight. Yeah. Mirror. Shoulder. Yeah. Yeah. Then turn now signal. Okay, stay away from.
Renovated.
Yeah, sometimes there. So turn right. You see the always stop sign, right? Yeah.
So I'm here first. There's no one here. But always obey the rule.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that you don't get to be wrong.
Turn left. Yeah. Complete. Yeah.
I didn't even know we had a stadium.
Yeah, we have stadium here, but it's not so. I don't think so. It's not so busy.
That's okay.
Good job. Good observation.
Thank you.
Good turning too.
Thank you.
Do some mistake. I can tell people.
Yeah. No, I'm not perfect. You know I'm not perfect. So if I do a mistake, tell them that was wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
Mercy, that was wrong.
So you didn't check left and right.
Yes.
This is a mistake.
This is a mistake. Okay, so when you see like a zebra crossing, you slow down a bit, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So train is coming, and he's gonna beat us, and you are looking. You have to look early, right?
Yeah, I actually looked, but just to be sure that
You have to look a bit early, 3 meters early, 4 meters early. Yeah, its speed is 50 here.
okay.
Yeah, at the traffic light, turn right.
So I should move to here.
Red light camera.
So, what do I do here?
Oh,
I,
yeah, if it is safe, you can proceed a little bit.
yes, it's this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I checked.
No, car is coming. I save you.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
But he was far away. I could have
No,
gone.
no, no.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. No, sometimes not sure.
Yeah, because I would have gone.
No, no, it's really close.
Because if it's the speed you tell me, because you keep correcting me, and I know I fixed that correction. You're like, when you're turning, don't think twice, like resting at the turning point.
But here,
Always turn.
but Mercy, here you have
I don't have the right.
right of way. You
Yeah.
know, you have to clear the road. Yeah. So it was. So I stopped you. The car was so close. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're going right?
Yeah.
Or straight?
They are going straight.
So,
Yeah. They have a right of way.
okay, no, I mean for this road, are we going straight or are we going left? Because I missed to the left.
No, 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 no. We will go. We will go straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this lane is still 50?
Yeah. Again, check both sides. You didn't check.
But I thought I had the right to wait.
But sometimes people they miss the
Okay.
light, right? They fail to stop at the red signal. Sometimes happening. Turn right at the light.
So do I go to
Yes, yeah.
I can go
yes,
there?
yeah. Check blind spot. Yeah, no bicycle is coming, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go there. So complete stop. You got honk. You know why?
Why?
Because the green, you are still looking left.
Oh.
Yes. Then I didn't tell you go. I want to hear this honk. Hey man, be patient. Yeah. But it's green, you have to go. That's why
Okay.
turn right. So one honk, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just it's saying that wake up.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn here.
Okay, it's that lane they're using.
That's okay. Yeah, we can use this lane. Yeah.
Yeah.
So park left anywhere here. Okay, you forgot signal. You park well. Yeah. So you park.
Let me go to
Yeah,
front
yeah,
of it.
yeah. It's straight,
Yeah.
stable, straight. Okay. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So you forgot signal. Okay, park.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so even if you're parking,
Yeah, you have to.
signal.
Yeah, you have to give signal as
Okay.
well.
Okay. Continuous practice.
Yes, but you are ready to practice with your husband now. You are ready.
Yeah.
Easily you can practice, improve your skill,
Yeah.
and later on, if you need a couple more lessons, then we can help you out.
No, I will. I'll come back before I go for the test. I'm coming back.
Thank you. We're gonna make more money then.
Yes.
That's
I'll be
great.
back.
That's great. So thank you very much, Mercy.
Thank you.
May God have a mercy on you.
Amen. Amen.
I mean, also you will get your license.
Inshallah, I'll get my license.
Yeah, inshallah. All the best. And also, you got your license to you finished the school, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you graduate?
It's support work.
Sport work.
Personal support work.
Yeah, you passed the test, right? Last.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. You get the high score?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. I came out with a 93.4.
93.4 out of
47 out of 26 students. The
oh.
lowest was 79. And
Uh,
I came with a maximum final. So
oh,
it's still
you are
good.
the number one or two?
Yeah, number one.
Number one. Oh, you will be number one in the driving as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much for video, guys. If you like Mercy's video, please subscribe our channel, like our videos, right?
Yes, please like, share, comment,
Thank-
correct.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay. See you on the next video. So next time we will do one mock-up test.
Okay.
Yeah. And then after a couple practice, then you guys see you on the next video. Bye.
All right. Bye.